Adding a new remote key fob to your 2021 Chevy Tahoe can be done without visiting a dealership. This method uses your vehicle's onboard computer and requires at least one working programmed key fob. You'll need at least one working programmed key fob to start. The 2021 Tahoe's system, integrated with the body control module, can support up to 8 programmed fobs. Make sure all doors are closed and no fobs are inside the vehicle. Insert your working key into the ignition and turn it to the on-run position within 5 seconds without starting the engine. Press and hold the unlock button on the working key fob for 15 seconds until the vehicle locks and unlocks, indicating you've entered programming mode. Immediately repeat the same process for each additional fob you want to program, pressing the unlock button after each one. Turn the ignition off and remove the key to complete the programming process. Test all programmed fobs to ensure they function correctly, including remote start, lock and unlock, and panic alarm features. If programming fails, common causes are strict time limits or interference from nearby electronic devices. Without a working key, you'll need a GM dealer or locksmith with a TechLine tool, costing $50 to $150. If your 2021 Tahoe has post-2023 firmware updates, programming is more user-friendly with error codes displayed on the instrument cluster. Remember to replace the CR2032 battery in your fob when needed. This doesn't require reprogramming. Trends are shifting toward digital keys, with rolling codes for better security against relay attacks. DIY accessibility is increasing through apps and OBD2 scanners. Newer 2024 Tahoe models even offer app-based keys, eventually eliminating the need for physical fobs. Automotive experts say DIY is safe for basic key adds, but avoid it if your vehicle has aftermarket alarms that could interfere.